This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cathy Day. Charming second floor, 3-bedroom and 2 full bathrooms in the Fountains of Street. Lucie Home offers a split floor plan tile and laminate flooring throughout, nice size kitchen with new refrigerator and dishwasher in 2019. Snack bar 2. Screen patio off of living room, community pool, clubhouse for activities. Great location. Close to shopping, beaches, mall and medical facilities. For more information, review the details below.